Hi everybody and welcome to my tutorial for creating a Bitmoji classroom of your own. The first thing you'll need to do is open your internet browser, preferably Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome, no worries. You can go right to the Google Chrome website, look for the device that you have and you can download it for free. I'm using a MacBook Air and I'm going to be using Google Chrome throughout this entire tutorial. It should be noted that the tutorial is to be used for a Mac, a computer, or a laptop. I'm not sure if this works as smoothly if you use a device such as an iPad, a tablet, or your cell phone. All right, so once you have Google Chrome opened, you're gonna go up to your, whatever this is called, address bar, and you're gonna go to bitmoji.com. You get something that looks like this, and then you're going to scroll down past all the fun stuff. All right, and you're going to get some choices down here. You're going to click right here. It says Bitmoji for Chrome Desktop. Once you do that, you'll have an option to download. You're going to want to download. And once you do, up here by your bookmarks bar, you're going to get a little Bitmoji icon. And then from now on, you'll have it on your computer whenever you need it. You can search, and then when you want it, you're just going to copy and paste it when you're ready to use it. That can be emails or Google Classroom slides, really anywhere that you can type, which is pretty cool. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is go to our Google Slides. I already have mine open, but let's show you how to get there. So you're going to come back to your Google homepage, and then in the top right, you'll see these little squares in a table. You're going to click those, and you're going to just go right to Slides. Okay, and then you are going to click Blank. You're going to have some text boxes, but you won't need these, so go ahead and get rid of them. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that just to clear up my screen. So right now we just have a blank slide, nothing is on it, but we need it to look like a classroom. So you're going to go to Background, choose Image. I personally don't have any background saved to my computer, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the right and click Google Image Search. And I'm going to type in wall and floor. If you find another search that works for you, I say go for it, but this is one that I know works well already. I don't want too much distraction because it's a classroom, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and I like that. So we need to really decorate the space. So we're going to go to Google. Oops. And the first thing I always notice in my classroom, because it's largest, is my smartboard. So I'm going to search smartboard and I'm going to go to images. And I have a bunch of things come up. So if you just copy and paste an image from Google, what you're going to receive is that white background. And you really don't want that because then it's just going to look like everything copy and pasted together. You really want to make it look like a fluid piece. So you're going to want to make your pieces look like virtual stickers. Now, oops, to do that, you can go to your settings on Google. Sorry, that's a little hard to see. And you're going to click Advanced Search. You're going to go down to Colors and Image. And you're going to hit Transparent and then click Advanced Search. Now, the only things that come up in my search will be images with a transparent background. This works most of the time, but I have seen sometimes that it doesn't work. Yep, like right now. So let's show you what to do if that doesn't work. All right, so I'm gonna right click, and then I'm next gonna click Save Image As. Find somewhere that you want to keep this. For some reason, mine just go into my TSG pictures, but make sure you label it so it's easy to find. Next, you're going to want to open a new tab, and you're going to want to search remove.bg, which stands for remove background. You're going to click upload image. And then you'll notice that these black or gray and white checkered squares, really it's transparent. So when I bring it back over here, voila, you can drag it anywhere and it's just a sticker. There's no white border. All right, so there's my smart board. The next thing I want to add is a rug. So we'll just search a little bit. I think this one's pretty cute. It looks like it's already transparent, but just to be safe, I'm going to save it. I did rug 3 because I've already made a couple of these classrooms. To go back to the start for remove BG, just click the top left corner and it'll bring you right back. All right, so I just saved that as rug 3. This should be in alphabetical order for you, so it's easy to find. All right, there's my gray and white square, so I know it's ready to copy and paste. Oops, sorry, this Zoom thing keeps getting in the way. All right, and there's my rug. So if you notice down here, I really don't have space to put the whole rug. So I'm going to drag it where I would want it, but then I'm going to double click it. When I double click, you'll notice that there's a dark black box around your image. I'm going to grab it from the bottom and I'm going to drag it where I want it to end. So now my rug stops. It looks like the image would continue on if you moved your perspective of view, which is really cool and makes it look a lot more lifelike. If I ever want to use this image again or copy and paste it into another room, the image is not ruined. You're just going to double click it and the whole image will reappear. Okay. So let's show you how to overlap. So we'll put cube chairs. We're going to go back to remove background, upload image, and cube chairs. So here's this happy little guy in his cube chairs. And here he is in our classroom. So you'll notice that they went over the rug by chance, but say they were under the rug, what you're going to want to do is change the order. So you're going to right click and go to order. You're going to go over to the right, bring to front, would make this overlap of the chairs. But since I want the chairs on top, I'm going to right click the chairs. I'm going to go up to order and make sure that those are always brought to the front so that they stay on top of the rug to make it look more lifelike, like they're actually sitting in that space. I'm going to show you what to do when the website that you're on doesn't give you the option to save a picture. You're going to click on the item that you would like. All right, so if you look, I can't right click. I'm trying to right now. These are my only options. So what I'm going to do is take a screenshot from my computer. If you have the option to screenshot, it's because you have a Mac. If you do not, you're going to need to use the snipping tool, which is available on all Windows or Dells. So to do that, you're going to go to your bottom left and you're going to search snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you're going to use the keys Shift, Command 4 all at the same time, and you'll get a cursor that looks just like this. You're going to do your best to keep close to the image so you don't get too much extra. Here's my image, and then I'm going to add to photos. Okay, it's down there. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload that image. And it still has a bit of the sticker of the warranty, but that's okay. Some of them just can't be perfect. All right. And then there's my sticker of my shelf. If I wanted it to be behind that table, I'd put send to back. Oops. Sometimes that happens. So you'll just want to move it a little farther away. Order, send to back. Adding yourself in the classroom is very easy. And since you've already downloaded Bitmoji, you're going to go up to the right corner. I like to search pose because it gives you lots of different options. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one because it looks super excited. Ready for school. All right, there I am. I'm going to make myself a little bit bigger. Awesome. If you want your Bitmoji to be a little bit more engaged, you can search poses such as sitting. But say I wanted my Bitmoji to sit over here, but I was facing the wrong direction. I'm going to right click, go to rotate, and flip horizontally. The last part of our tutorial will be showing how to link educational resources to your Bitmoji classroom and the items in it. So even though we really want our Bitmoji classrooms to be cute and have really nice items in them, you want to make sure that you only have items that are meaningful and will be able to host a link for parents and families to find more educational resources. So what does it look like to link your classroom? I'll show you an example before I show you how to make it. Here is just one part of my classroom. I made my room have multiple areas. So if you click my safe place area, you'll see it sends you to slide 3. And slide 3 is my safe place area of my classroom. However, if I wasn't sure what this was all about, or if I really wanted to have resources from Conscious Discipline, I'm going to go ahead and click on that safe place box, and it's going to send me to free and premium resources for all. But let's hop back and let's look at our schedule. So as special educators, we know that schedules are so important. And some of our kiddos are going to be at home. So we really want our families to be able to take power of their environment, control their environment, and make a schedule if possible. So let's link Conscious Discipline and their visual daily schedule activity to the schedule board. We're going to go up and click Insert Link. I'm going to paste. And now parents will have the ability to click that link when they go to schedule. I'm going to go ahead and move my Bitmoji back over. All right, that is a wrap. If you need any other assistance, support, templates to copy, furniture, please don't hesitate to reach out. Send me an email and I'd be happy to help you. You got this.